In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the echo effect in audio in Premiere Pro. So the first thing you need is of course some audio, and I recorded a quick voiceover here I'm going to play for you right now so we can hear it before and after. So that's it. Hello, can you hear me? This is just a simple tutorial to show you how to make echo in Premiere Pro. Okay, so that's basically it. And then what you need to do is click on the audio you would like to make echo of and go to Effects and then look for Reverb. Type in Reverb and look for Studio Reverb. You want to hold this down and drag it onto your audio. And once you're in here, you want to click on it, go under the Effects Controls, click on Edit over here under Studio Reverb, and then you can play around with the presets over here. As you can see, there are multiple presets, but I like the vocal reverb large. You click on it, and you can then, of course, again, play around with it, play around with the dry and wet, and all these characteristics up here. And then once you're done, you want to simply exit this, and if I now play the audio that you've heard earlier, that's how it sounds. Hello, can you hear me? This is just a simple tutorial to show you how to make echo in Premiere Pro. Now, as you heard, echo has been added to my audio, and that's literally it.